The Akashic Records are a quantum well of infinite knowledge and wisdom, which is available to us at any moment of any day. In order to access the Akashic Records, all we have to do is get into an Akashic atmosphere or an Akashic mindset, which is a meditative state. So, the way these Akashic Records readings work is that I will guide you through establishing that Akashic atmosphere for yourself. And then I'll provide some guidance as to how to access the records. And then all the images and all the ideas that come up are completely yours to do with what you will. Basically, if something is useful, you keep it. If something is not, then you don't. So, what happens during an Akashic Records reading? Often we'll get visitations from uh, ancestors or from lineage holders or from spiritual guides. And often these visitations will have the form of a guide. Someone will show up as a guide for you. Sometimes it's a beloved pet or a familiar. This happens in all different kinds of ways. And as we go through the reading, we step through, we walk this journey where we just open ourselves up, open up our consciousness to see what comes up, to see whatever images come up and allow those images to really come to fruition. So it is a form of guided meditation. You could look at it as that. Um, it's a way to sink into your subconscious. It's almost like you're entering a dreamscape. Um, and the benefit, of course, here is that you actually are awake, and these sessions are recorded if you like. So you can refer back. And often I hear from clients that that's when a lot of the revelations occur, is maybe not during the session, but after the session when they are listening or watching the reading again after some time has passed. Certain messages tend to really come through then. So there's a lot of ways to use these readings. You can come to the reading with a particular question, like a certain area in your life that you're struggling with, that you need help with, or you can come completely open, just being available for whatever guidance or help comes through within that moment. And what's my role in the Akashic Records reading? I'm just there to facilitate, to kind of move things along, to allow my personal intuition to guide the images and the steps that I'm calling out. But I will always follow your lead since we're working with your Akashic Records. Um, it's always the client who will have the clearest picture and vision because I'm looking through like a window pane and you're really there. So it's a partnership when we do these Akashic Records readings. It's a real alchemy between myself and the client to see what comes up, and it's usually quite marvelous. So if you're curious to experience this for yourself, I'm offering several low-cost sessions right now. You can get on my schedule as early as next week. I do have some times available. So you just fill out a form at my on my website, which is fiercedivine.com/form. And it's just a quick little form where you give me your name, your email, and if you're ready to schedule, you could put in your availability and when would you like to schedule. Or if you have any questions at all, you can put those in the question field and I will get right back to you.